Hello students. In this lecture I will tell you that if you have to solve a complex mathematical problem in Matlab, then how you will do that. I will tell you that how you can substitute the value of a variable. Suppose I have some variable sims x, y, a, b, uh, x and y. For the first I will deal with this. I will show you the complex. I will show you the very simple case. I have created two symbols x, y, and then this is a third symbol z, and I am writing that z is equal to x plus y. This is a simplest expression, and I want to find the value of. Now you can see that this is a very simple expression. If I execute this, I will get that z is equal to x plus y. If I know that the value of x and y is, for example, 2 and 3, then what I can do is I will write that substitute within the expression z, the value of x is 5. And when I execute it, what I am going to see is the answer of that z is uh, y, x plus y. But if I execute this line of code, what I see is the value of z is equal to y plus 5. I can even write that z is equal to subs z x with 5. Now you can see that when I write the z, in the result will be y plus 5. Similarly, I can insert the value of y also in the expression, like for y I am going to insert the value as 7. So when the z is updated with a symbol y, I will show you that when I execute this code line by line, you will see that what is going to happen. When the line number 9 will get executed, the result is z is equal to y plus 5. But when the line number 10 also get executed, the instead of y, now the value is 7, so 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So through this way you can solve the very complex expression, like I'm going to create a complex expression that is x whole square plus square root of y into 10 steric x y multiplied by. So let's see that whether I have written the expression in a correct way or not. I will execute this code and then I will see that what is going to happen. Now you can see that I have written the expression quite in a very better way, like pretty z. So you can see that I have written the expression in a correct way. Now when I execute line number 9, what I see is the value of x has been substituted. Wherever there was x, the value is now 5, like 500 multiplied by 10 is 50. And then x square, so 5 square is equal to 25. When I execute the second line, I get a solid result. So z is equal to 350 multiplied by 7 whole square root plus 87. So I can also, through this process I can substitute various different type of values of the variables in the complex expression, and I can get the result. We can also solve the uh, values of unknown variable through this process. by making some complex by creating some complex script, we can also solve the multiple set of equation. We can find a value of unknown variable within that. So this was all about the substitution process. Thank you so much.